Coming soon on September 28th in Loveland, Colorado. We're excited to see you, and we have a sneak peek of the Colorado Holistic Fair. If you're someone who seeks to heal their wounds or uplift their spirit, we give you permission to be who you are and embrace the part of you that is full of pure love and white light. Enjoy shopping a beautiful array of crystals, jewelry, decor, and holistic remedies carefully and lovingly created just for you. If you're in need of healing or getting clear around something that you're struggling with, you will be divinely guided to someone in alignment with you. Come and find the person to help you, guide you, and give you the space you need to be heard and seen. Mark your calendars and be ready to take a little time for yourself and enjoy the weekend.